In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use AI to design my Shopify dropshipping stores in just a few clicks that you can launch and start making sales right away. This is literally going to be the exact way that I personally build my stores that have done up to 6 figures in a single month. Not only will I show you how to set up your Shopify store using AI, but I will also show you how to source and run ads that you don't even have to make yourself towards the end of this video. I'm telling you guys right now, it's literally never been easier to start than now. There's a lot of misconception on social media that dropshipping is dead and it's impossible to start now. But I personally started with nothing a few years ago, back when I was in high school, working 3 different jobs while having to go to school, and still managed to do over 7 figures in revenue in the past few years since I first started. This has allowed me to live the dream life that I do now, which most of you guys have probably seen from my other social media. And keep in mind, I was able to become successful with this before we had all these new resources like AI that pretty much does all the work for you. If you can't make it work with all these resources and opportunities available now, as well as me literally showing you step by step exactly what to do, you are honestly missing out on such a big opportunity that might never come again. I'm gonna hop on my setup and get right to it. Just follow along with me for the next few minutes and I promise you, you won't regret it. Alright, so to start, just paste this URL into the search bar. I'll also leave a link down below in the description to make it easier for you guys. By the way, it is 100% free for you guys to use my software to create as many Shopify stores as you want. Now to get started, just click build my free store and complete the details on the screen. Enter in your full name, your email. Make sure to also create your password as well. Now it should take you to this page where it allows you to pick a niche. Decide on which type of products you think you're gonna be selling. If you don't know yet, don't worry, you can just click any of these and it'll recommend you products to sell. After you decided, go ahead and click on the niche and click done. Now it's gonna ask you to select from some banners for your homepage. Don't worry, you can always manually switch them later on. I think this one looks the best, so I'm gonna click this one as well as this one and click done. Then all you have to do is just complete all the steps on the screen. Then put your email in that you're going to be using and start free trial. You don't actually have to answer any of these questions, by the way. You can just click I don't want help setting up. Also, it's super important that you use a new email to do this. If you use an email that you've already used for Shopify in the past, the AI might not work on the store. Now go back to the AI and click done. Once again, just follow the instructions on the screen. All it wants you to do is copy the URL on the top of your Shopify store, and then you just paste it down below and click save, and then you click done again. And then grab your Shopify discount, which by the way will only be $1 a month for the next 3 months. You can just select the basic one. You don't really need any of the other ones just yet. Go ahead and fill out all your information and click to subscribe for just $1. It's important that you enable the subscription because if you don't, then Shopify will not allow you to start making sales on the website. Once that's done, just go ahead and complete the remaining steps. Click on install app, and then we click install again. And now everything should be installed. It will give you an option to click to customize your store. So go ahead and do that. If this wasn't already easy enough, our AI software actually installs a private supplier for you onto your Shopify store. AutoDS has always been one of the best suppliers out there, so we're gonna just follow the instructions again and click to install it. Now, if you guys are new here and don't understand how dropshipping works or how suppliers work, with dropshipping, you don't have to own any of the inventory that you sell. So that means that there's no upfront cost or any upfront risk. Every time you make a sale, you just pay a very small amount to your supplier and they'll ship out and handle all the packaging for you. Once you've added your private supplier to your Shopify store, just click done. When you first set up a Shopify store, it's default to private so that no one can see it. Follow the steps on the screen to make sure you publish it and so that you can start making sales. I hope you guys were able to follow along with everything I just went over. It really doesn't get any easier or simpler than this. If so, you should have your online store ready to go and be ready to start making sales right away. If not, just rewind this video to whichever steps you might have missed. As you can see, in the past few minutes, without spending a single penny, we went from nothing to having a fully built, custom designed Shopify store ready to start making money on. It even already comes with trending winning products imported onto the Shopify store for you. Now don't worry, if you want to add some of your own products that you have in mind as well, you can simply go on your Supplier AutoDS and click to import any product onto your Shopify store. You're welcome guys, because back in my day, I had to spend hours learning how to do this and even more hours setting up stores and products that I wanted to test myself. Now our AI literally does everything for you. Now if you hover over online store, then it should have a little eyeball to the right, and if you click it, Then it should go to your store where you can view exactly what it looks like. Now keep in mind the homepage really isn't too important because your ads will be linked to your product page, so most people will never see the homepage at all. But if you really want, you can change up some of the copywriting or some of the images, but I think the ones on here are already good enough. The product page is actually designed pretty good as well. As you guys can see, let's just scroll through it. It has all different types of sections and trust badges so that you get the highest conversion rate. The images and copywriting that's on my store is honestly pretty good, so I don't think I need to change any of those. But if you want, you can change out anything that you don't like. I think the only thing you really need to change is your offer on the announcement bar. And as you can see, the reviews are a perfect 5-star review. I would maybe add a few reviews so that instead of it being 5 stars, it's like 4.8, 4.9 stars, because you have to make your store as realistic as possible. And even the best companies and brands in the world don't really have a perfect 5-star review. And if your product is something that comes with a lot of different variations, I would remove a lot of them and only keep like 2 to 5 of the variations, because if you have this many options available, then a lot of times customers get confused and they're not sure which color they want to buy, so they end up buying nothing at all. It's just too many options for them. After that, you can even change up the offer and the volume discount that you have. And besides that, the last thing we would really need to add is just the reviews on the bottom. You can just go on the settings and apps and sales channels and click Shopify App Store. And if you look up review, then you can use any of the review apps on the Shopify App Store to import some reviews onto your store. Now, for those of you who wanted to make some changes, whether it's with the images, copywriting, descriptions, or anything else to your Shopify store, and you don't know how, just go on online store and then themes. And on the right, it should give you the customize button. You just click on here and you can scroll through your website, even click on your product page and change whatever you would like to change. Like I said, the website is already pretty good already, so the only changes I would make are just the ones that I mentioned. You honestly don't really need to do much except the 2 or 3 things that I said, and this should honestly take less than like 30 minutes to an hour. Now, if you've never used Shopify before and don't really know how to use it, I'll go over all the important ones for you so that you know what to do. Firstly, we have the orders tab. This is basically where all your orders that you get are gonna show up with the customer's details, such as their name, their email, their address, and it also shows the risk that you have on their order. So sometimes if they, use a stolen credit card or anything, it'll show that the order is high risk, and then you can have the option to cancel it so you don't get a chargeback later on. In the orders tab is also where you can refund people. This honestly shouldn't happen too much as long as you use a good supplier like AutoDS and just check your emails and just have good customer support. And you can also click on abandoned checkouts if you want to do SMS or email marketing for everyone who left the website at checkout. Then if you click on products, it'll show all the products that you have onto your Shopify store. And this is where you can also click to edit any of the products that you have, delete any of the variations, change the text, change the images, whatever you would like to do. You can also change your pricing and your offer on these products as well. Everything else under the products tab really isn't too important. This is also where you can delete some of your variations. Like I said, I would just keep at least like 3 to 5 of the best, most popular colors or sizes, depending on what your product is. Customers and content really doesn't matter. Now, if you click on finance, this is where you can see all your payouts. You can also get your own Shopify card if you want. It really just depends, but for most of the time, I don't really use it. Sometimes I do end up using it. If you click payouts, this is where all the dates of when you get paid from Shopify should show up. Now, if you have a new store and you start selling, it might take a few business days to a week in order to receive your first payout. But after that, moving forward, all your payouts should be paid out within 1 to 3 business days. Now, I know most of you guys are beginners, but keep in mind, there is something that's called Shopify holds or payment reserves. That's basically where if you make a lot of money in a short period of time, then they will hold like 20%, 30%, or even 50% of your money for like 1 to 3 months. Or if you just forget to use your supplier and ship out your products and you just get a lot of chargebacks and disputes, then you will get holds so that Shopify knows that they can reimburse the customers and refund them themselves. But I wouldn't worry about this too much either for now. This is more of an advanced problem. As a beginner, your main priority and your focus should be on getting your first sales, even getting your first 10K in sales. This really doesn't happen unless you're doing like 50K, 100K plus a month. Then on analytics, it goes over all the sales and the dates of when you get those sales. It also shows your average order value, your conversion rate, sessions, and the rest of the details and data that it gives you. You can also click on live view if you're ever running ads throughout the day and you just want to see how your store is doing. Inside marketing, you can see all the channels of where you're running ads from. For example, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, which obviously is part of Facebook ads, and also Snapchat ads, Pinterest ads, and the rest. And lastly, inside discounts, this is where you can create discounts if you want to run any offers for buy one, get one free, buy two, get one free, buy two, get one 20% off, or volume discounts. Whatever you want to do with your offer depends on your product and your niche, you can do here. Now, that's pretty much it with your Shopify store. Once you start making your first sales, if you click on AutoDS and inside orders, all your orders will be automatically synced to AutoDS, and you can click to pay for the product and the shipping costs, and they will ship out everything for you. If you also wanted to research some new products to test and add to your store as well, they have a trending product section that you are able to use and help you out to pick any other winning products you want to select. AutoDS is genuinely one of the best dropshipping / e-commerce resources out there. If you guys want to take advantage and use them as well, I'll leave a link down below with an exclusive offer where you can sign up for just $1 for an entire month. Now that you have a Shopify store ready to go and you know how to customize anything you want to change and to research and add any other products that you want, and you also know how to fulfill orders with your supplier, the last thing you need to do is just run ads so that you get visitors from social media onto your Shopify store, and hopefully they start buying your products off your store. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can go about this. First and most obvious, you can order the product and make your own ads, edit your own ads, and run your own ads. The only issue is that then you need to learn how to film, edit, and even wait for your product to ship to your house before you can even start getting sales. The second way is where you rip creatives from social media platforms. You can go on TikTok or Instagram Reels and find existing content of your product and either download the video and run it, or edit them together and run them as well. Since most of you guys are probably beginners, the first two options might be a little difficult. So the third and last option is basically where you send your products to what's called UGC creators. They film, edit, and send you the ads ready to run for you. There's actually agencies out there that automate the entire process for you. The one that I've personally been using for the past few years is this one called Viral Ecom Ads. As you guys can see from the homepage, they are trusted by the biggest ecom entrepreneurs. And if you scroll down a little more, it gives you options of all the different types of ads that you can get. They have ads for Facebook, TikTok, and even a winning ad multiplier. There's also AI UGC ads for TikTok, Facebook, and UGC ads for TikTok, Facebook, and TikTok split testing. If we scroll down, they also have examples of what their ads look like. These ads are definitely made for Facebook. Pick whichever platform you're advertising on and click get started. Personally, I started dropshipping on TikTok first because if you guys don't know, on Meta, there's a lot of ad account bans, restrictions, and a lot of issues that come with it. But TikTok ads are really simple to learn and get started on. Now just click whichever option you want. You could get 1 package, 3 package, and 5 package. 1 package comes with 3 different ad variations for 1 product. I'm just gonna click the second option for the 3 packages and get 9 ads in total to test with, and click buy it now. Now shout out to them because they're letting me hook you guys up, the people who watch and support me. So if you enter in the discount code JParkEcom and click apply, then you save a huge 20-30% every time you need ads made. As you can see, you get $30 off on this purchase. Now eventually this will really help because you'll be running multiple products and multiple ads at once. You can either type in the code, or I'll leave a link down below in the description, including the exclusive offer as well, to make it easier for you guys. It's actually crazy how you can leverage AI to start your whole online business in just a few clicks. A lot of guys out there that you might have seen gatekeep information like this, or charge you hundreds or even thousands of dollars to do what I just showed you guys how to do for completely free. I really hope you appreciate me not gatekeeping anything at all, and this video was able to help you out. If you liked all the value that I gave away in this video and want to work with me and learn from me personally one-on-one, then I'll leave a link down below in the description to where you can apply to my one-on-one mentorship/coaching program. Like I said, I'll also leave a link down below in the description for the softwares and any other resources in this video to make it easier for you guys. Just so you guys know, there's no limit to how many times you can use the AI. You can literally use it as many times as you want, so make sure you take full advantage of that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys go like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and also let me know any questions or any future videos you guys want to see. I literally check the comments every day and try my best to get back to as many of you guys as possible. But yeah, that's it for now. I hope you guys put this to good use, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.